Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. This is JavaScript series. So I'm just going to talk about the JavaScript uh, operators today. And if you see, there are a lot of operators. There are a lot of operators. Um, the operators are nothing but this plus, minus. These are the operators. Plus, minus, equal, not equal to. So how we can use? I'm going to give the demo today. So online editor, I'll go to online editor. So here I'm going to demo the operators. So let a is equal to let a is equal to 10, and you remember all the reserved words. um, you should not give the capital letter or small letter. The way they have defined, you have to give. So if you give let L small letter, it's coming as a blue. That means you given a correct. So this is the I just assigned uh, um, a value as a 10 and let b value is equal to 20. So now I want let c is equal to a plus b. I want to add the two variables a and b. So whenever you want to add the two variables values, so you have to use the plus operator. So now c will be having the value a plus b. Now we'll see how it will work. So console.log, okay, just see if you give, it will print the a plus b. So it has printed the a plus b value. Now you just want to give some label or some label you want to define before c value is printed. Just give here in quotes value of c equal to comma. When you run this again, click on the run. It will value of c equal to whatever you have given in the codes. It will print, and whatever the value it is there in the c, it is printing it. So like this you can add the two variables, and you want to store in third variable as c. Now this is the plus operator. Similarly, you have a as 20 and b as 10, and you want to subtract a minus b. Just give minus here. Now if you print, it will be 10 because a has a 10 value and b has a a has a 20 value, b have 10. So 20 minus 10, that is 10. So like this you can give anything, and if you want to give, you can give like this also, a minus b dash dash dash. So whatever you give inside these codes, it will print, and it will print the c value. So a minus b printed, and the value of c what it contains, it's a container, so it's printing. So like this you can subtract the two variables. This is called subtraction. Subtract operator. So as I have covered in the previous video, this is the comment. Whatever you want to put some comment to read, the whoever see the code, he can understand what you have written, for what purpose you have written the some logic. So that is all about the comment. So now this is the minus. Now whenever you want to multiply two values, two variables, this is multiplication operator. multiplication operator. So now it will a into b. So it will print 200 now because we are multiplying the two values. So like this you can add, subtract, and you can multiply. And what are the other operators? Yeah, divide also you can use. So there is a divide operator. For example, you want to divide a divided by b. You want to do the division a divided b. So whenever you want to divide a divided b, just you need to use slash here. A slash b means it will divide the value 10 is divided by 10, 20 is divided by 10, and it will be 2. So you can put anything here. You can do a divided by b. So whatever you give inside these codes, it will give the value. See, anything you can give. You can give anything inside the string, same thing it will print, and the variables, whatever the variable you given here, that value it will print here. So for example, if you give capital C here and you try to give the small letter here, you are given cap letter here, and here you are given small letter, it won't work. If you given caps here, you have to give cap letter here. This is called case sensitive. Case sensitive means if it is case is small, you have to give small. If it is cap letter, you have to give cap letter. So this JavaScript is just case sensitive. Even if you give let as a cap letter, it won't work. See, because it's a case sensitive. Whatever they have defined, the let is a small letter L, you have to give small. Even if you cannot give the T as a cap letter, see, it won't work. It will give the error. Just run it, it will give the error. See, so you need to follow some case sensitiveness, like a case, it's a case sensitive, so you have to follow that. Now we have saw that, and yeah, now we have added integers. For example, you want to add uh, Imtiaz, okay, Sheikh. You want to add the two strings a plus b, a plus b. Now C value will print Imtiaz Sheikh. So you can add the string as well. String is nothing but whenever you give something, some characters, a set of characters, you want to assign some variable, then you have to give inside double quotes, or you can give single quotes also, like this. You can give single quotes or double quotes. See, even if you use, it will work. So you can, this is called concatenation. When you add two strings, that is called as a concatenation. Concatenate. Concatenate. So we are not dividing here, we are adding the a plus b into c. So you can add the two strings. So what are the other things are there? Now we'll see this one. We remove this one. Now I have assigned, this is my variable. I have assigned some three value to the variable. You can give where this variable name anything, my variable or anything you can give. You can give a also. So you can give here a. So initially you assign a is equal to 3. Now you are checking, is it a equal to 4? So when you put this, I'll cut this, I'll put it here. You are checking, a equal to 4. Is it a equal to 4? So it will return the boolean value. As I discussed in the previous class, boolean value will be true or false. So a has a value 3, and you are checking. If you want to check whether a is equal to 4, you can do like this. You can use equal to 2 times. Sorry, like this. So it will check. Now the value of a is equal to 3, and you are checking whether a 3 is equal to 4. If it is no, it will return false. Now if you give a is equal to 4 here, if you give 4 here, it will return true, because a value has a value as 4, and you are checking whether it's a is equal to 4. So whenever you want to compare the value, and this is integer value, whenever you want to compare the integer value, so you can use this operator. This operator is called as strict equality. It will return true or false. If it is match, it will return true. If it not match, it will give false. Now there is another operator. There is another operator here. Trying to click. Okay. Now there is this operator is called not. So if you see here in the library, not is an operator. This operator is called as a not. So how we can validate? For example, my variable is equal to 3. You're checking not means my variable is not equal to 3. It will give false here because it is actually equal to 3 only. So if you see here, it will give false. You are checking not operator. You are telling not my variable not equal to 3. No, it is equal to 3, right? That's why it's given false. For example, if I put 4 here, I'll remove this. It will give true because yes, 3 is not equal to 4. That's why I given true. So like this, you can check the value whether equal to or not equal to. Like that, you can check the value. Now next is, yeah, this is all about the operators. So now I am going to discuss about the if condition. This is called condition. Condition are the code structure used to test if the expression returned true or false. A very common form of condition, if else. So this if else, I'll tell very simple. Now you have declared one variable, ice cream. and you assign the value as chocolate. console console.log. Yes, it is chocolate. No, it is not. So whenever you want to check the condition, what you are checking, if ice cream is equal to chocolate, whether this variable ice cream is equal to chocolate, you're checking. This is your variable and this variable has a chocolate value, and this is your expected, this is the actual. So you're comparing the actual and expected. If these both are matched, this will this will print. If not match, it will print this one. So now when you run this, it will print yes, it is chocolate, because the ice cream has a chocolate as a value and you are given the value is a chocolate. So both are matching. That's why it's printing this one. So like this, you can check the variable value. Now you put here chocolate, vanilla. Vanilla. Now you're comparing ice cream variable has a chocolate, and you want to check whether is ice cream is equal to vanilla. It will give no here, because ice cream has a chocolate and you are checking whether chocolate equal to vanilla. No, it is not matching. Then it will come to the else part. Like this, you can check the condition. This is called check condition statement. If is a condition statement. You can check any value also. For example, you want to check uh, um, English, English, um, mm, okay, age, something. Okay, we'll check. A is equal to 10. Let B is equal to 20. Now I want to check A, sorry, A equal to B. Then I'll print A is equal to B. If it is not equal, then A is not equal to B. So now I have given A value as a 10 and B value as a 20. Now I am comparing. A is equal to B. Now initially I'll give A value as a 10, B is equal to 10 only. So now it will run this. Yes, it will print this statement, because A and B value are same. So if it is match, yes, if the condition is true, then this will execute. Now assume that I'll give A, B is equal to 20. Now A is equal to B, it will come to the else part. No, it is not equal, because A is 10, B is 20. Like this, you can compare the two variables by using the if condition. This is called if condition. So this is all about I just thought of discussing today in this video. Hope you understood. um, I will be continuing the Java coding series um, till the classes and object everything. Just subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Those who don't know anything about JavaScript, they can learn. I'm making this series as very simple, and those who don't know anything, they can start from the beginning. You can start the You can start from the part 1 where I have defined. I I just started with a VS Code. If you don't have the VS Code, in the part 2 I told you can online also you can practice like this. You can practice. Hope you understood this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.